In this video, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this hairstyle. Stay tuned. So first I start off with freshly washed hair. My hair gets dry, so I just washed it not even 20 minutes ago, but it's back to dry. I'm looking for the things I'm going to be using. First I'm going to be using a hair clip. For this video, I'm just going to use one. Yeah, I'm looking for something. Comb, of course. And hair scrunchies. One or two, but in this video, I'm just going to use one. And water, of course. My hair is already dry, as you can tell. It gets really dry, so I need water. Moisturize it. And Eco Styler, of course, my favorite stuff. This stuff is the bomb. It says olive oil there. Can't really see it, but yeah, olive oil. So let's start. I'm gonna part my hair into two. Just roll up that side and put a hair scrunchie on it to hold it up. And I pull out a piece of hair in the back to start with, and I was deciding whether to put a scrunchie on or just to clip it. I decided to clip it, so I just kind of like twist it up a little bit and then clip it at the end so it can stay up. Take the ends, just smoothing it over just to get ready to start with it, combing it out. It's still a little wet from the shower, but it's still dry, so I want to make sure I add more water to it. So I add some water. Don't need a lot because the Eco Style gel has water in it. So I want more defined look, so I use more of the gel than I do the water, because I don't want it really to get watered out. So I just kind of use a blob. I'll show you later in the video how much I use, but sorry I didn't show you guys how much of it I use, but I don't really use a lot. I just use like a blob of it to get my point. The point of it is just to make sure my hair is saturated enough with the gel so that it can form, the curls can form. As you can see in this case, the curls are forming already. Sometimes since I don't have a lot of gel, I'm not using as much as I usually use. But a lot of times when I do use the gel, what I do is I just use so much to the point where my hair, it looks like a string. It looks straight because it's so much saturated with gel. And that really helps to get my curls defined. Even though it's straight at one point, I make sure I separate them and shingle them and all of that in order for it to then curl up later. As you can see, I'm using a little water again, combing it out. As you see, I was pulling apart my hair when I was putting the gel on to show you that. Pull out each curl so that they're defined, and that is called the shingling method. As you see, I'm adding gel to it so it can become defined. And I'm going to do that throughout my hair. So another thing I want to add is that I make sure I take out about just a small portion of hair. Not like a huge portion, but like a small portion. So that I can saturate each part of my hair so that my whole hair is saturated. And then my curls, as you can see, I'm doing the shingling method here where I separate each curl. And as you can see, some pieces are coming out appearing straight. But you see it still has a little curl, but it appears straight. But later on throughout the night, as I'm waiting for it to dry with my bonnet, it will dry up curly, and the curls will be defined. Again, as you see here, I am parting my hair into a small section, just out of the two big sections. I'm not big on like parting each part and making it really like straight parts and all that. I just pull it out the hair and comb it out and put the product on and put the water on and all of that. Put the water on first so that I can comb it out, so it's easier to comb out. Even though I just took a shower and combed my hair out in the shower, it dried up within 20 minutes and it gets tangled. Yep, that's my hair. So yeah, so I'm basically doing the same thing as I did on the other two, just adding the gel, and I will do that for the rest of my hair. So I'm just gonna fast forward. Just the fact about my hair, it's really different in different parts of my hair. The back has its own curl pattern, the middle has its own curl pattern, and my front has its own curl pattern. The front is the most kinky in my opinion. The middle, it has the most sleekness to it, and the back is just very kind of tight curls. I can still work with them, but they have really tight curls, and all over my hair is dry. So just wanted to say that about my hair texture / pattern. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but at the beginning of the video, when I was doing the back of my hair, it appeared really short, and then as you can see, the middle appears longer. That's because the middle curls are looser and the back curls are way tighter. So some of my hair in the back is shorter, but for the most part, it's the texture that makes it appear way shorter than the rest of my hair. And it technically is shorter, so that's another thing. The back of my hair is shorter than the middle. In the front always is shorter. So I think a lot of times I do try to do like bangs and stuff, and it's more like, I don't know, I just like the middle of my hair the best because it's the most sleek and it's the most easiest to moisturize and all of that. So yeah. kind of just wear this old t-shirt just because I don't like to use my good clothes while I'm doing my hair. Just don't want to get it messed up. I slowed it down because I think I'm on my last piece right here, but don't mind me if I was kind of looking like I was in pain. That was me singing, so don't mind that. But yeah, as you see, I'm doing my last piece. I probably, my face is kind of scrunched up because my hair is kind of a lot to do. And when I get to the last piece, I'm kind of trying to look at it too. So kind of like Patrick trying to see his eyebrows right now because I'm looking up trying to see the front of my hair. I don't know if you guys can notice, but the front of my hair is a lot shorter than like the back and stuff because I don't know, I had this obsession with cutting my bangs. So I cut bangs, but that's why it's a little shorter than the rest of my hair. But they grew out, obviously. So I'm done. As you can see, there's some parts that's why I'm going back just to kind of go over them a little bit. But some parts are kind of like got a little frizzy. So yeah, so I'm basically done. Now I'm going to go to sleep. I was looking for my bonnet, but I couldn't find it. So I forgot I put it in the laundry. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep and put my bonnet on, but not in the video, and see you tomorrow. So this is the next day. As you can see, I have my bonnet on. I did my makeup. I got dressed, put my scarf on, got my little outfit on for church, because I did it yesterday or Saturday night. So yeah, my bonnet. So the big reveal. You guys already seen it in the beginning, but yeah, this is it. This is the next day. This is before I went to church. Just kind of, all I did was put a bonnet on and just let it dry or whatever. And this is the end result. I kind of put it to the side because I don't know. I just think it's something nice about it being to the side or whatever. So, there you go. That's about it, what I do. Now for like the next day and stuff like that, like tonight, I would probably just kind of add like some spritz from my spray bottle, and then add like a shower cap or two, how many I need, just to keep it moisturized, then put the bonnet on and go to sleep. So these are just some pictures of me after church today. And thank you for watching my first hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.